that was a cold start. I didn't show me starting it, but 2 pulls and it fired up. I had it running, probably a month ago. So it's not bad. Let me turn this music off. I'll show you what I did to keep the fuel up into the carburetors. Is I installed check valves on each carburetor. You can see those. That helps keep the fuel up to the carb. Yeah, the bowls are full. Theoretically it should start, but for some odd reason the gas wants to run all back down. So I just did that. It helps it a little bit. But she's for sale. So I'm going to ask $2,000 for it. Complete refurbishment. My board kicked out here. The chassis up. The engine is completely rebuilt. It's a 400 original engine. Show you the suspension here. Everything is original. It's got new slides on it. All new bearings. Cleats. Some of the cracked cleats were replaced. I replaced probably 10 cleats. New shocks. What else? Everything else is pretty stock. It's got the original seat on it. I just put a little bit of transmission fluid on it. It's pretty hard. The transmission fluid will soften it a bit. I'm going to let that on there, then wipe that off. But you can see it's in pretty good shape. It's got a few little spots like right here. And there's a little crack here. Got a little spot. You can kind of see it right there. But I mean, they're nothing bad. Here's another one. But I'm the second owner. I bought it in, it's a 1974 Polaris Custom 2. You see right there, Custom 2 400. I bought it from the original owner in the winter of 78, I believe. 78, 79. So that's what we got. Thanks for watching.